C'est bon, j'ai géré. Tout bon. So guys, welcome to the Swiss Alps. We are now at the Dixence River, I think that's what I say. Was at the beginning just a trip with my friends, just hanging around, have fun with barbecues, and we saw that it was just half an hour from our Airbnb. So we've been to this amazing dam, and yeah, the view is breathtaking. So to go to from the parking to the dam, you have two different ways. You can walk, it's like an hour and a half, or you can take the téléphérique, I don't know in English, the téléphérique, and then it's like 10 francs and 4 minutes. So we had like, I don't know, maybe an hour and a half just walking around this lake here. It's very nice, but now it's barbecue time. So let's party again.